Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English lesson. My name is Emma, and I am very happy to see you today.
Hi there, I'm Jake. How are you today? I hope you are ready to learn some English with us.
Today is lesson number 5. In this lesson, we learn how to talk about our daily life. We say what we do every day.
That's right, Emma. We talk about our habits. A habit is something you do many times. For example, I drink coffee every morning. That is a habit.
Wonderful example, Jake. So today we learn 5 important words: work, live, eat, drink, and like. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Let's start.
First, let me show you something simple. When I want to talk about my daily life, I say I plus a verb. Listen. I work. I live. I eat. I drink. I like.
Very good, Emma. And when I want to say no, I add the word don't. Listen carefully. I don't work. I don't live. I don't eat. I don't drink. I don't like.
Don't is short for do not. Both are correct. But in conversation, we usually say don't. It's faster and more natural.
So, Emma, can you give us a real example?
Of course. I live in London. I work in a school. I drink tea every day. But I don't drink coffee. I don't like coffee.
Interesting. I'm different. I live in New York. I work in a school too, but I drink coffee every morning. I don't like tea very much.
You see? We use the same words, but our habits are different. That's normal. Everybody is different.
Now let's listen to a short conversation. Emma, can you ask me about my life?
Yes, of course. Jake, where do you live?
I live in New York. It's a big city in America. Where do you live, Emma?
I live in London. London is in England. Do you like New York?
Yes, I like New York very much. I like the food, I like the people, I like the energy. Do you like London?
I love London. And I like the rain. But many people don't like the rain in London.
Really? I don't like the rain. Tell me, Emma, where do you work?
I work in a small school in the city. I work with children. I love my job. Where do you work, Jake?
I work at a language school. I work with adults. They want to learn English, like our students here.
Wonderful. And what do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast. Sometimes I eat fruit. I don't eat cake in the morning. What do you eat, Emma?
I eat porridge. Porridge is hot oats with milk. It's very British. And I drink tea, of course.
Tea again. Emma, you drink so much tea.
Yes, I drink tea 5 times a day. But I don't drink coffee. Coffee is too strong for me.
Okay, students, let's stop and look at what we said. Did you hear the pattern?
Let's listen again. I live in London. I work in a school. I eat porridge. I drink tea. I like London.
And the negative. I don't drink tea. I don't eat cake. I don't like the rain. The pattern is always the same. I plus don't plus the verb.
Very simple. Now Jake, let me try to test you. Tell me something you don't do.
Okay, I don't drink soda.
Wait, Jake. Let's listen again. You said I don't drink soda. But that's not correct. After don't, the verb is simple. We say I don't drink, not I don't drinks.
Oh, you're right. Let me try again. I don't drink soda. I don't like soda. It's too sweet for me.
Perfect. Remember, students, after I and after don't, the verb has no S. We say I work, not I works. I don't work, not I don't works.
That's a very common mistake. So please be careful. I work. I don't work. Simple form, no S.
Now, let's have another conversation. Jake, today I want to know more about your week.
Okay, ask me anything.
Do you work on Saturday?
No, I don't work on Saturday. I work from Monday to Friday. On Saturday, I relax. Do you work on Saturday, Emma?
Sometimes I work on Saturday, but not often. Usually I don't work. I stay home and read books.
Nice. Do you like books?
Yes, I like books very much. I like history and I like stories. But I don't like horror books. They are scary.
I like horror, but I don't like long books. I like short stories.
Interesting. Tell me, do you eat at home or in restaurants?
I eat at home most days. I cook simple food, but on Friday, I don't cook. I eat in a restaurant with friends.
That sounds lovely. What do you drink in the restaurant?
I drink water or juice. I don't drink alcohol. And you?
Same. I drink water. Sometimes I drink wine, but not often. I like fresh juice in the morning.
And one more question. Do you like your neighborhood in London?
Yes. I like the park near my house. I live close to a beautiful park. I walk there every morning.
That's wonderful. I don't live near a park, but I live near the river. I like the river.
Okay, students. Now let's look at our 5 special words today. The first word is work.
Work. W-O-R-K. Work. When you have a job, you work. I work in a school. I work every day from Monday to Friday. I don't work on weekends.
Excellent. The second word is live. L-I-V-E. Live. This means where your home is. I live in London. I live in a small flat. Where do you live?
I live in New York. My friend lives in Paris. We live in different countries, but we are friends.
The third word is eat. E-A-T. Eat. We eat food. I eat breakfast at 7 o'clock. I eat fruit every day. I don't eat meat.
I eat a lot of vegetables. I eat fish twice a week. But I don't eat sushi. I don't like raw fish.
Number 4 is drink. D-R-I-N-K. Drink. We drink water, tea, coffee, juice. I drink tea every day. I drink water with my meals. I don't drink coffee.
I drink coffee in the morning. I drink milk too, but I don't drink tea very often. Tea is more popular in England than in America.
And our last word is like. L-I-K-E. Like. When something is good for you, you like it. I like cats. I like music. I like English. But I don't like cold weather.
I like sports. I like pizza. I like my job, but I don't like waking up early. Well, sometimes I don't like it.
Wonderful. 5 new words. Work, live, eat, drink, like. Let's review them quickly.
I'll make sentences. Listen and repeat in your head. I work in an office. I don't work in a hospital.
I live in a city. I don't live in a village.
I eat pasta. I don't eat fish.
I drink water. I don't drink soda.
I like English. I don't like grammar tests.
Oh, Jake, you're funny. But grammar is important. Now, students, your homework. Write 5 sentences about you. Use I and I don't with our 5 words.
For example, I live in Spain. I work in a hotel. I eat tapas. I drink coffee. I like my city. Try it with your information.
And remember, after I and after don't, the verb is simple. No I work, not I works. I don't work, not I don't works.
Now you can talk about your daily habits. You can tell people where you live, where you work, what you eat, what you drink, and what you like.
That's a lot of new English. Well done, students. You are doing great.
In our next lesson, lesson number 6, we learn how to ask questions in the present simple. We learn to say do you and don't you.
Yes. Questions like do you like coffee? Do you live in this city? Very useful for conversations. So please join us.
Thank you for listening today. Practice your sentences and we see you in the next lesson.
Goodbye, everyone, and have a wonderful day.
Bye for now.